The struggle with passive income. Have you ever dreamed of making money while you sleep, but every time you try to start, it just feels confusing, overwhelming, or even impossible? You're not alone. The internet is filled with conflicting advice, expensive tools, and complex strategies that can leave you feeling stuck. But what if I told you that you don't need to be a tech expert, have a big audience, or spend tons of money to make passive income online? In this video, I'm sharing the exact AI tools I use to earn passive income with affiliate links, and some of these tools are completely free. I'll even reveal a powerful strategy that most beginners totally overlook, but when done right, it can multiply your earnings on autopilot. Let's jump right in. The real problem with affiliate marketing. Let's talk about why affiliate marketing is so hard for beginners and how AI can change the game. The biggest challenge: consistency and content creation. You need a steady flow of valuable content to build trust, get clicks, and drive sales. But writing blog posts, designing visuals, and managing emails takes serious time and energy, especially if you're working solo. That's exactly where AI tools step in. They help automate the work, boost your creativity, and free up your time so you can focus on scaling your business instead of getting stuck in the weeds. Affiliate marketing without AI is like trying to build a house with just a spoon. With AI, you've got power tools and you can build something incredible. The AI tools I use to make passive income. Now let's dive into the actual tools I use every single day in my affiliate marketing business. These aren't just random apps. They're my go-to AI-powered platforms that help me turn ideas into income consistently. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up, these tools can help you save time, work smarter, and make a real impact. 1. ChatGPT. My content creation superpower. ChatGPT is my go-to tool for writing emails, blog posts, video scripts, and social media captions fast and effectively. The secret: clear prompts. If I'm promoting a budgeting app, I might ask, write an Instagram caption with 3 benefits and a soft call to action. Within seconds, I get content that's on brand and ready to use. Pro tip: save your favorite prompts and reuse them to create a content machine that runs faster every time. 2. Canva with Magic Design. Professional visuals effortlessly. In today's world, visuals can make or break your success, especially when it comes to standing out on platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and even YouTube thumbnails. That's where Canva's Magic Design AI comes into play. It helps me whip up stunning social media posts, lead magnets, ebook covers, and promo graphics in just minutes. No graphic design degree required. I simply input a few ideas or upload some brand assets, and Magic Design instantly suggests layouts, color schemes, and visual templates that look polished and professional. Real-world example: when I needed a quick lead magnet for a top 5 AI tools for beginners freebie, I used Canva's Magic Design to create a beautiful PDF in less than an hour, and that one freebie has helped me grow my email list by hundreds of subscribers. Pro tip: always create multiple versions of a design, especially for social posts, and test what grabs more clicks or engagement. 3. Jasper AI. Scaling long-form content with ease. When it comes to long-form content like full blog posts, email nurture series, or detailed YouTube scripts, like the one you're watching right now, I turn to Jasper AI. Jasper is built for marketing copy, making it perfect for writing content that educates, persuades, and converts. I use it to brainstorm ideas, outline blog posts, and create SEO-friendly articles in minutes. For example, when I'm working on a blog like 5 mistakes new affiliate marketers make, I give Jasper a few bullet points and it delivers a polished draft ready to go. Pro tip: use the tone of voice setting to match your brand, whether that's friendly, bold, or professional. 4. System.io. This is an all-in-one funnel builder I use to create landing pages, manage emails, and automate my affiliate funnels. It comes with built-in templates and smart AI features that make setup super simple, even if you've never built a funnel before. 5. Pictory AI. Video content is key, but not everyone wants to be on camera. That's why I love Pictory AI. It turns my blog posts or scripts into professional-looking videos complete with stock footage, music, and voiceovers. This way, I'm able to repurpose my content and reach more people without recording anything new. The hidden strategy most beginners miss. Here's where the real magic happens, and it's something most people skip: the freebie funnel strategy. Instead of just pasting affiliate links everywhere, offer a small but valuable freebie in exchange for an email address. This could be a budgeting checklist, a mini ebook, or a top 5 tools I use guide. Use a tool like ChatGPT to create the freebie in minutes. Then, with System.io or another email platform, set up a simple email sequence that slowly builds trust and naturally promotes your affiliate links over time. This strategy warms up your audience and boosts conversions like crazy, all while running on autopilot. It's the smart marketer's secret weapon. Your smart start begins now. Look, the people who succeed in affiliate marketing aren't always the most experienced, the most tech-savvy, or the ones who work the hardest. They're simply the ones who learn to leverage the right tools and follow a simple, repeatable system that builds momentum over time. The good news: you can start today, even if you feel like a complete beginner. Here's your next action step. Pick just one AI tool from the list we discussed. Don't worry about being perfect. Try it out, explore its features, and use it to create something small and manageable, like your first freebie, a checklist, mini guide, or resource list, or a short blog post promoting an affiliate product you believe in. Once you complete that first small project, something powerful will happen. You'll build confidence, and confidence leads to action. Action leads to results. Results fuel even more motivation to keep growing. The secret is to start small, stay consistent, and keep learning as you go. Affiliate marketing doesn't have to be overwhelming or complicated when you're using AI tools as your creative partner. When you combine smart technology with a smart strategy, you unlock a whole new level of passive income potential without working 24/7, burning out, or second-guessing yourself. You already have everything it takes. Now it's just about taking that first step forward. If this video gave you even one helpful idea or sparked a new way of thinking, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button to show some love. Drop a comment below telling me which AI tool you're most excited to try. And subscribe to the Money Mindset channel so you never miss out on more real-world strategies to grow your income, your confidence, and your financial future. Your journey to passive income doesn't require a huge budget, fancy tech skills, or years of experience. It starts with something far more powerful: a clear plan, the right tools, and the willingness to take imperfect action. Every big success story you admire today once started with a simple, sometimes messy first step, just like the one you're about to take. Stay curious, stay consistent, and most importantly, believe in your ability to learn and grow. You don't need to have it all figured out today. You just need to keep showing up for your future self, one smart decision at a time. You've got this, and your money mindset is exactly what will lead you there. Thanks for being here with me today, and I can't wait to see you crushing it. See you in the next one.